morning. This is our breakfast for today. Yan. Dragon fruit, tapos yung natirang crepe, isang hard-boiled egg, tapos black coffee. So, yan ang ating breakfast. Day 1. Good afternoon. So, it's still day 1, lunchtime. So, yan ang aking lunch. Yung natirang char siu pork ng Sabado, tapos yan yung natira uling gulay, yung lumpiang hubad, lumpiang sariwa, yan na hubad. Yan ang gulay ko. Tapos, syempre, may watermelon at green tea. So, yan ang ating lunch for day 1. Sana mapangatawanan ko. Happy eating!